Are you ready to ride the AI millionaire wave to live a luxurious life? Don't be left behind in the dust of missed opportunities. GPT-4 is the game-changing technology you need to cash in now. In this video, we will explore 4 highly profitable business ideas that you can start with GPT-4 to make your life better. Imagine a fashion app that shows you how you look in various outfits and generates affiliate revenue for you without inventory. Or an AI-powered personalized cold outreach email service that saves you time and boosts your efficiency. With GPT-4, you can even ask the AI to start a business for you and guide you to make as much money as possible. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. Join the AI revolution with GPT-4 and make your millionaire dreams a reality. Nowadays, AI is making millionaires every single day. It is now your time to cash in on this amazing opportunity. OpenAI recently unveiled GPT-4, and I got my hands on it. And I have been amazed by its capabilities, and that is why in this video, I'll be talking about several highly profitable businesses that you can start with the help of GPT-4 now. Remember, if you are solving anyone's problem and get paid, you are going to make business. What a lot of these ideas are going to be based upon. So make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's start with the first business idea, and this is about building a fashion app. Imagine if the user uploads a couple of pictures about their body and the AI can show multiple outfits on their body. How it would look like, I can see which outfit and style looks best on me. If I like a particular outfit on me on the app, I can proceed to buy it. Now the real game of making money starts from here. Now they can have an affiliate model in which for every single sale that happens through their app, a clothing brand will end up paying a small royalty to the application. In this case, there is no inventory. You can simply use a GPT-4 API to make this possible. There is already a tool called OutfitsAI.com, and with the help of this, you can understand how you would look in a particular outfit. I think this is a huge opportunity that you can get into because you don't have to own something, right? You can simply connect the buyers with the sellers. If they are able to understand how will they look like when they will wear this particular outfit, that is what AI is going to help you out with. Now, moving on to the second idea that you can work upon, and this is, imagine clicking a screenshot of a social media profile of anyone out there. Feeding the screenshot to GPT-4, then GPT-4 can easily create a cold outreach email that is highly personalized in a matter of seconds without you having to go through their entire section. Where are they from? And then creating a personalized message. AI can do it automatically for you, right? And that will save you time and make you more efficient, and you can send a lot more cold emails that way. And the AI can also scrape the web to find out emails of that person, and then email it to them automatically. It can be a great service that I personally would love to buy into, and I think any business out there would love to use a service. Well, the next business idea is quite funny, but if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure that you share this video with your friends and hit the like button, click a screenshot of this video, and put it on a social media and tell me the one business idea that you absolutely enjoyed through all of these, right? Please share it. You can tag me on social media as well. Talking about the third business idea, this is interesting. You can actually ask GPT-4 to start up a business, and you will act on AI's behalf. You will be the human counterpart. You have X amount of starting money. It can be $100 or $10,000, and the AI will tell you the best way to make as much money as possible while not doing something illegal, right? There is a man who did this thing on Twitter and got millions and billions of views. It essentially has GPT-4 to make as much money as possible through the help of a blog website. The blog got all of the data from GPT-4 and is now getting 10% of viewership, right? So you can have a look at that as well if you are interested. And I think it is a great opportunity that you can just ask the AI, what should I really start? To remember, my Start Care Crew is exactly right, and you will get some amazing ideas from it. It will give you step-by-step answers, and you can update it every day. For example, now tell me with the next step. What should I do tomorrow, right? If you can ask it to create a strategy for marketing information. It will give you all of those answers. The last one is a language learning app. Imagine you have an object in front of you, but you don't know the name of that particular product. Click a picture of this on camera, and I can upload this image onto this language learning app, and this will then reply to me with what you would call the subject in that particular language. Let's say I want to learn Spanish or I want to learn French, and it will tell me exactly what this object is called in that language. You can also add an AR element to it, in which if you can just take your 4 and turn it around across the world, it would give you names on what you call specific objects, right? I have this tripod stand. I have my laptop. It would tell me exactly how would you call or pronounce these objects around the world in that particular language. I think that is a more fun way to learn a language than just going into the typical process of learning it, which might get boring. So I think this is a great idea that you can get your hands into. So again, that was the video. I hope you learned something from this. If you have any questions about any of these ideas, let me know in the comment section below. And please share this video with a friend of yours. You can also follow me on social media. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will implement something and build something truly amazing of your own self. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.